Hello, my dear friends. Today, we are talking about something very, very important. The 80-20 rule. Did you know 80% of English conversations use only 20% of the language? Yes! If you learn that important 20%, you can speak and understand English much faster without learning thousands of difficult words. Let me ask you a question. If you want to cook dinner fast, will you learn every recipe in the world first? No. You will learn only the recipes you need most. Learning English is the same. And today, I'm going to show you how the 80-20 rule can save you months of study time. 170,000 plus words in English. The 1,000 most common words cover 85% of spoken English. The 3,000 most common words cover 95% of everyday conversations. This means that if you focus on those top 1,000 to 3,000 words, you can understand almost everything in daily life. The 80-20 rule says 80% of results come from 20% of actions. In English learning, 80% of conversations use only about 20% of English words and grammar. If you learn this important 20% first, you can speak and understand English much faster. Why this works? Think about daily life. People say things like, "How are you?" "I don't know." "Can you help me?" "What's your name?" "Where are you from?" These are simple and common. If you learn them first, you can already join many conversations. Example: if you know words like go, come, eat, drink, want, need, good, bad, big, small, you can make hundreds of sentences. I want water. This is good. She is my friend. Grammar. You don't need to start with all grammar rules. Learn only the most used ones. Present simple. I eat rice. Past simple. I ate rice. Future simple. I will eat rice. With just these three tenses, you can talk about most situations in daily life. How to use the 80-20 rule in English learning. Step 1. Learn the 1,000 most common words. Example: common word lists online. Frequency dictionaries. Step 2. Learn the most common grammar patterns. Example: subject plus verb plus object. Step 3. Practice speaking and listening using these words and patterns every day. For the next 7 days, only focus on words and phrases you hear again and again in your favorite TV show, movie, or YouTube channel. Write them down and use them in your own sentences. Remember, English has thousands of words, but you only need the right ones to start speaking fast. The 80-20 rule is your shortcut. Learn smart, speak sooner. I want to tell you about my friend Ahmed. When Ahmed started learning English, He thought the more difficult words he learned, the faster he would improve. So he spent hours studying words like photosynthesis, metamorphosis, and onomatopoeia. He could write them, but he couldn't order tea at a cafe. One day, he decided to try something new. He made a list of the words he heard most often in TV shows. Go, come, want, need, good, bad, today, tomorrow, help, please. He practiced them every day. Within 2 months, Ahmed could chat with tourists, ask for directions, and even tell jokes in English. What changed? He focused on the 20% of English that gave him 80% of the results. Take any English movie or YouTube video. Write down the 10 most repeated words or phrases you hear. Practice making your own sentences with them. How many words do you really need to speak English? Not 10,000, not even 5,000. Just these 100 daily phrases can help you talk to anyone in English. Let's learn them together. Asking for help. Excuse me. Can you help me? Can you help me? I need help. Could you please repeat that? Please speak slowly. I don't understand. I understand. What do you mean? What do you mean? Can you show me? No problem. Everyday needs. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Can I have water, please? I want coffee. I like this. I don't like that. That's good. That's bad. This is mine. That's yours. Shopping. How much is this? It's too expensive. Do you have this in a smaller size? I'm just looking. Can I try this on? I'll take this. Do you accept credit cards? Where is the cashier? Is this on sale? Thank you for your help. Travel and directions. Where is the bus stop? Where is the train station? How do I get to the airport? Turn left. Turn right. Go straight. Is it far? It's near here. It's over there. Can you show me on the map? At a restaurant. A table for 2, please. Can I see the menu? What do you recommend? I'll have the chicken. I don't eat meat. Can I have more water? This is delicious. I'm full. Can I have the bill, please? Thank you for the food. Social phrases. That's nice. Really? I think so. I'm not sure. I agree. I don't agree. That's right. That's wrong. It doesn't matter. I'm sorry. Time and plans. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Today. Tomorrow. Yesterday. Next week. Last week. What are you doing? Let's go. See you lately. Politeness and goodbyes. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. Sorry. No problem. Take care. Have a nice day. Goodbye. See you soon. Greetings and introductions. Hello. Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is... Nice to meet you. How are you doing? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. So, dear, remember, you don't need to learn all of English to start speaking. Focus on the 20% that matters most, and you'll see results faster than you think. So start today. Write down the words and phrases you hear most often and practice them every day. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Your fluency journey starts now. I'm Zane, and this is English Topics for You podcast. Let's make it happen together.